All doors and the hood must be closed for the following work. Set the ignition to position 1 and select the travel menu in the multifunction display. Press the back button and the finger navigation pad simultaneously for approximately 5 seconds. Go back to the main menu and scroll all the way to the left. There you will find the workshop menu. Here, under Assist Plus, you can reset the service data. Switch on the ignition. Go to Full Service, then to Confirm Service. Select the quality of the engine oil used and confirm that the service was carried out. The service display is now reset.